Hey guys, so there's a lot of things going out there. Pre-booking for Spider-Man No Way Home has started in India, as well as the temperature is also going down in India. So it's about the right time to pull out the villains. As well as for this video, we have a very interesting product which you all have seen in the start. It's the Logitech's K480 wireless keyboard. And I have been waiting for this keyboard for the last 1 year. I wanted to buy it, but finally I have bought it and here it is in my hand. And I thought, why not share my experience with this keyboard with you all in this video. Hi guys, I'm your host Shomit Seth, and without any further ado, let's get started.
Starting off with unboxing, the unboxing is pretty simple, nothing interesting. After opening the box, at the top we get the keyboard itself, and you can have your first glance at the keyboard. The keyboard looks really great. Keeping the keyboard aside, we get the manual for the keyboard, and which nobody usually reads, so let's keep it aside. Now, removing the plastic covering from the keyboard, you can have a first glance. The keyboard looks really great and the matte finish is really great. Apart from the keyboard, you also get a lid for the backside where the cell goes, and you also have 2 Duracells in the box. Now, putting the lid on the backside and removing the sticker from the keyboard, now your keyboard is ready to use.
Heading off to its design, the minimalist layout features all the keys you need in a space-saving design, and since it's compact, it doesn't cover a lot of space on your desk. The scoop keys offer fluid, comfortable typing experience. It's thin, lightweight, and can be easily carried over long distances without any hassle. There are 2 unique features that make this keyboard distinct from other wireless keyboards. First off is this beautiful green cradle that can hold tablet or smartphone or both at the same time. It's made up of rubber that protects your device from scratches and provides a firm hold as well. Next up is the dial, which is one of the best parts of this keyboard. You can connect up to 3 devices and then switch typing between them using this dial. Pairing this keyboard is really easy. There are 2 dedicated pairing buttons, one for desktops and laptops and one is for smartphones. To pair the keyboard, you will need to press and hold the button until the blue light starts blinking. Then under Bluetooth settings on your device, click on add a new device and then you will see K480 keyboard. Just click on it and it will ask you to enter a number. So just type that number on the keyboard and press enter and it will connect to your device. Typing experience on this keyboard is good, nothing out of the world, but yeah, I do like to mention that there is good amount of travel among the keys. This is among the first wireless keyboards to have music shortcuts, which I personally loved. Talking about the response time, there is a slight delay of a millisecond. Well, trust me, this wouldn't hinder your user experience, although I didn't experience any delay in typing and overall typing experience was pretty good. Out of the blue, I also tested this keyboard in GTA 5 and the overall experience was decent, although this keyboard is not meant for gaming. Well, after using this keyboard for almost a week, it became pretty clear that this passes high quality and reliability standards that make Logitech the #1 global leader for mice and keyboards. This keyboard has a 24-month battery life, thus eliminating the hassle of frequent battery charges. It's currently retailing at a price of $2,300 on Amazon, and I can surely tell that it's definitely value for money. Okay guys, with that being said, we come to the end of this video. So this was my take on the Logitech's K480 wireless keyboard. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you're new here, then do consider hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you never miss any update whenever I upload a new video. And if you have any queries regarding this keyboard, then you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below. With that being said, thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Peace.